Oh boy. So the rails were cleaned off yesterday, and we took our car out, the gray one, yesterday. It was cleared off except that square on the top. I would say we got probably another 5 inches, and it is coming down hard. Yeah, and of course the other snow wasn't gone yet, but we've getting a lot more. There's our snow dogs. Hi guys. Hi. You guys have some serious dandruff. Yeah, it's coming down pretty good this time. Big flakes. This is 2 days after we had our first snowstorm, but I think this one is going to be a lot more. If you look on all the buck houses and the roof, I think we're getting buried pretty good today, since it is 9 o'clock in the morning and it's supposed to be snowing all day. And Rodney will have to go out there and knock all the snow off of that shed again. But yep, it's getting buried pretty good. We were supposed to go to town today. I'm not sure that we're going anywhere. It looks like it's slowed down some, but it's still snowing. Little flakes now. But yep, big old tall hat on the post. And not that post. Definitely winter now. Rodney cleaned the steps and the rails off again, but boy, it's like a snow globe out there. And I know that Punxsutawney Phil said that we were going to have 6 more weeks of winter, but I didn't know the first week was going to be this bad. Now, if I were a chicken and it was 33 degrees out, I would not be gathered over here. I would be in the barn, but they seem to think this is better than the barn for some reason. Crazy chickens. The kitties know where it's good. Yeah, they're all hanging out in the barn. Piggies are all out there eating. Snowflakes are crazy big again. And Rodney's gonna check and see if they need straw, right, Rod? No comment? They probably are gonna need straw again. So Rod's putting them some more straw. Make sure they have lots of straw to bed down in. Hi Daisy, what are you doing? I'm waiting to see what's going on. And they knocked a hole in their wall. Can you see the hole? It's a good thing we're going to replace this. I just hope they don't make it any bigger. I think they wanted a window. Well, it might be snowing and wet, but they're still going to come out and eat. They're getting their dinner. Yucky day out. It's been snowing all day. Every time I think it quit, it's actually smaller snowflakes. So it's also been melting. If you look at the car, you can see it's been trying to melt. And I don't know if you can hear it, but that's the noise of it running off the roof into the gutter right there. So it's been trying to melt. So there's not really, like, there's snow on the canopy over there, the little tractor house, but not near what there was this morning. Rodney cleaned the rails off this morning and swept the steps. You know, it's been melting. It's right at 33 now. I don't think it got over 34 or 35 today. So it's been right at freezing. So it's trying to melt, but it's snowing. There's nothing come down as rain today. It's all been snow. And it's been snowing since early this morning. Before we got up, we had that 5.5 inches of snow on the ground at 9 o'clock this morning. So it snowed really good, but it was a little colder. It's still snowing, supposed to be snowing until at least 8. And it is, let me see, 20 till 5 right now. And it's starting to get colder. You can tell it's just a chill in the air. So it's going to get colder, which means the snow will stick more. So we'll see what we have tomorrow. We have some snow forecasted for tomorrow and for Friday. This is Wednesday. We did cancel our town trip today. We're going to go in Friday, hoping that everything will be cleared off a little bit better by then. Thanks for watching my second snow day. But yeah, this has been a pretty late snowstorm. Have a great day. Hi guys.